If you have a VPN, are you safe from viruses? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and while a VPN will greatly protect your personal information, can it also protect you from malware? A VPN, or a virtual private network, helps encrypt your personal information while browsing online, and it hides your IP address. An IP address is like a license plate that identifies your internet connection to others. Most VPNs also offer ways around geo-blockers. As you may know, geo-blockers prevent you from accessing websites and services in certain countries. VPNs are a way to get around this. For example, if you go abroad and you try to dial into your Amazon account or your Netflix account, it may not act the same way. Essentially, a VPN makes you all but anonymous or invisible while you're online. While using a VPN definitely makes it more difficult for hackers to locate you as they keep you way more hidden while browsing, VPNs are not designed to defend you. To protect yourself fully from potential cyber attacks, you should use both a VPN and antivirus software. Unlike VPNs, antivirus programs are designed to scan and delete any malware or viruses before they inflict damage on your device. To find out my top-rated VPNs and antivirus programs, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.